Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Today we will discuss latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from ECGC Limited. It is for executive officer post. Education qualification required is graduate in any discipline. Age limit is minimum 21 years. Maximum 30 years. Total number of vacancies are 75. It's all India place posting. Nature of employment is permanent. Experience required is nil, and the salary is approx 16 lakh, and the mode of application is online, and you have to apply before 20th April 2022. So now let's move to the next vacancy. So friends, before moving to the next vacancy, I just want to tell you that at Finance MCQ we are offering NTPC Executive Trainee Finance Exam course, PGCIL Assistant Officer Exam course, MGVCL Deputy Superintendent Accounts Exam course, IFCO Training Accounts Exam course, and Oil India Limited Senior Account Officer Exam course. So if you have applied for any of these exam and want to practice for this, you can visit our website Finance MCQ and prepare for these exams. The next vacancy is for HIL India Limited. It is for two vacancies. First is Assistant Manager Finance, second one is Officers Accounts, and the education qualification required for Assistant Manager is either a CA or CMA, and for Officers Accounts you can be either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance. The age limit for Assistant Manager is 40 years and for Officers Account is 32 years. Number of vacancies for Assistant Manager is 2. One is for Bathinda and another one is for Kerala. And for Officer Accounts, again two posts are there. One is at New Delhi and second one is at Kerala. The nature of employment, it is for fixed tenure, and the experience required for Assistant Manager is for 5 years, and for Officers Account is 1 year, and preferably SAP experience. And salary band for Assistant Manager is 20,600 to 46,500. It is all pre-revised salary band. And for Officer Account 16,400 to 40,500 is there. Mode of application is you have to apply offline at the respective unit address of the company before 25th April 2022. Friends, you will get the detailed address in the notification. I will put the notification link in the description, so you can go and check that notification. Next vacancy is from Bureau of Indian Standard, that is BIS. Name of post is Assistant Director Admin and Finance. Education qualification asked is MBA with personal specialization or postgraduate or PG in diploma in personal specialization or HRM, that is human resource management. Upper age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancies are only one vacancy for scheduled caste candidate, and the place of posting is New Delhi. Nature of employment is regular. Experience required is 3 years in central government, state government, PSU, autonomous bodies, regulatories, etc. Pay scale is of level 10, that is 56,100 to 1,77,500. Mode of application is online, and it is started from 19th April to 9th May 2022. Next vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is Manager Performance Planning and Review. Education qualification required is BCom graduate and postgraduate in management or MBA 2-year regular, then you are eligible. Age limit is minimum 25 years and maximum 35 years. Number of vacancies are 2 and place of posting will be Mumbai. Nature of employment is regular. Experience required is 4 years post qualification experience in data management and reporting in corporate finance or finance planning and analysis. Pay scale is 63,840 to 78,230. Mode of application is online, and you have to apply on or before 20th April 2022. Next vacancy is from Chittaranjan National Cancer Institute. Name of post is Accountant. The qualification required is BCom from recognized university. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 2. Place of posting is not specified by them. Nature of employment is contractual. It is for 3 years, and experience required is 5 years in cash account and budget work in government offices, PSU, autonomous statutory body, and desirable experience required is Tally. The per month pay scale will be 35,400 to 1,12,400. Mode of application is online, and last date to apply is on or before 20th April 2022. Next vacancy is from Birla Institute of Technology and Science, that is BITS Pilani. Name of post is Senior Office Assistant. Education qualification required is either a BCom or CA Inter. Age limit is not specified. Number of vacancies are 1 and the place of posting will be Pilani. Nature of employment is regular. Experience required are 5 years. Per month pay scale will be 29,200 plus DA and other benefits. Mode of application is online and you have to apply on or before 25th April 2022. Next vacancy is from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. Name of post is Junior Auditor. Education qualification required is BCom with 55% marks. Age limit is 18 to 30 years. Total number of vacancies are 9. Out of that, for unreserved are 6 and rest are for reserved category. The nature of employment is permanent and place of posting will be Chandigarh only. Experience required is 2 years and per month salary will be 25,500 to 81,100 and you have to apply online on or before 5th May 2022. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find all vacancy useful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.